Hey guys, let's do a haul of what I got at the squishy store. Okay, so first I got this cheese squishy. Oh, Dad. Yeah, it's really good. And then I got this slime liquor, but like, yeah, I already opened it up. And then I got this duck. Hold up, I'm gonna open it. Then this is really good. It's the next. Oh, my bad, gang. Just gonna hold it right here. Okay, then I got this chocolate. Ooh. I've been squeezing it from the bag, and it feels so good. Bro, the plastic's like sticking to it. Okay. This is really nice.
Which one? Oh, the chocolate?
Yeah. Okay.
Again,
then I got
franchise.
this. I love this. It feels so nice. It's like, it feels really nice on the texture of it. Now it's dumpling time. Okay. So we're gonna open, actually I wanna open the mystery. I almost saw the dumpling. Okay. I'm gonna open the mystery one. It doesn't say RMS, but like, whatever. It's not real. Oh my God. Okay. Let's open it. Oh my God. 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. Feels really nice. What kind of face is that? It feels really nice though. I don't really know if it's the glitter though. No, it's actually not. But I still like it. Now moving on to like this galaxy one. I don't know. 3, 2, 1. Oh! It's with the Orbeez! Oh, I like the Orbeez one. Oh, it has a different face, but I like it. Yes, I love this one. I can't bring it to school because I don't want it to break. And last time I brought a squishy to school, it broke. So let's just keep it home. Anyways, I think I just got the glitter, so I don't know. Whatever. But I love my squishies and I'm happy for what I got. And yeah. Anyways, bye guys. Let's go Mets.